In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and customize your render settings in Adobe After Effects, making your workflow more efficient and tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're using a Windows or Mac system, the initial steps are quite similar. To start, navigate to the top menu and access the Render Settings templates, which you can find under Edit, then Templates, followed by Render Settings if you're using a Windows PC. Mac users can access the same menu by selecting After Effects, then Edit, and Templates, followed by Render Settings. When the Render Settings Templates dialog box opens, you have a couple of options depending on your preferences. If you want to create a custom template from scratch, simply click on the New button. This gives you the flexibility to specify the exact settings you desire, such as quality, resolution, and whether effects should be turned on or off. This customization allows you to streamline your render pipeline according to the specifics of your project, which can save significant time and effort in the long run. Alternatively, you can select an existing template from the list and tweak its parameters by clicking Edit. This is particularly handy if there's already something close to what you need, and you want to make a few adjustments to fit your current project. This process gives you control over the finer details without starting from zero. At the top of the dialog box, there's a section labeled Defaults, or sometimes Movie Default, depending on the version you have. Here, you can set your freshly created or modified template as the new default. This step is crucial as it ensures that this configuration will automatically be used for future projects, minimizing repetitive tasks each time you begin a new project. Now, let's turn our focus to the output module settings. Just like before, go to Edit, then Templates, but this time, select Output Module. The process here is much the same. Choose an existing template or create a new one, and then specify this as your default output module setting by selecting it for Movie Default or the equivalent option available in your software version. Setting this default ensures consistency in output quality and format, which is especially useful if you are preparing assets for a specific platform or client. With your render settings and output module templates configured, you are now set to speed through your rendering process. When you add a composition to the render queue, you can do this by navigating to Composition, then Add to Render Queue. You'll notice that the render settings and output module drop-downs automatically default to your chosen templates. This integration makes your workflow seamless and efficient for all your video projects. And that's how you customize and set default render settings in Adobe After Effects. Implementing these steps will undoubtedly improve your productivity and ensure that your final outputs consistently meet your project's requirements. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!